How to make money on Amazon FBA in 2025. Amazon is one of the biggest marketplace in the world, and millions of people are making money by selling products through Amazon FBA. FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, which means Amazon handles the storage, packaging, and shipping of your products. In this video, I will explain step by step how you can start an Amazon FBA businesses in 2025. Even if you have never sold anything online before, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to find port profitable products, how to source them, and how to get your first sales. What is Amazon FBA? Amazon FBA is a program that allow you to sell products without worrying about storing inventory or shipping items yourself. You send your products to Amazon warehouse and they take care of the rest. When a customer places an order, Amazon picks, package, and ship the product for you. They even handle customer service and returns. In returns, Amazon charge you fee, but this system makes selling online much easier. Step 1 is finding a profitable product. The most important steps in Amazon FBA is choosing the right product. You need to find a product that has high demand but low competition. To do this, you can use product research tools like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, or Image Scout. These tools show you sell data, competition, and pricing trends. A good product is lightweight, small, and priced between $15 and $50. Avoid electronics, fragile items, and products with legal restrictions. Step 2 is sourcing your product. Once you find a product, you need to source it. The best place to find supplier is Alibaba, a global marketplace where manufacturers list their products. Contact multiple suppliers and request sample to check the quality. Negotiate price and make sure to calculate shipping cost before placing a bulk order. You can also look for US based supplier if you want faster shipping and better quality controls. And step third is creating your Amazon listing. Your product listing is how customers find and buy your products. A good listing includes a high quality title, professional image, detailed description, and bullet point highlighting the benefits of your products. Use relevant keywords in your title and description to improve your search ranking. High quality images and videos help build trust and increase sales. And step 4 is shipping to Amazon. After receiving your inventory, you need to send it to Amazon fulfillment center. Inside your Amazon seller central accounts, create a shipping plan and print the required label. You can either ship products yourself or use a freight forward for a larger shipment. Amazon will store your products until they are sold. And step 5 is launching your product. Once your product is live, the next step is marketing. Here is how you can get your first sale. First is use Amazon PPC, pay per click, ads to boost visibility, offer discounts to promotion to attract early buyers, get review from real customers to build trust, optimize your listening based on competitors' analysis. A strong launch strategy will help your products rank higher and get organic sale faster. And step 6 is scaling your business. Once your first product is selling well, reinvest your profits into new products, expanding your products, link increasing your earning and reduce risk. Many sellers start with one product and sell to multiple six-figure brands within a year. Common mistake to avoid. First, choosing a product without research, not calculating Amazon's fee correctly, and ignoring customer review and feedbacks, running out of stock which hurts ranking, not using Amazon PPC for marketing. Avoiding these mistakes will save you time and money. Amazon FBA is one of the best way to make money online in 2025 by finding a profitable product, sourcing it from a reliable supplier, and launching it with a strong marketing strategy. You can build a successful e-commerce businesses. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content or making money online. Thanks for watching this video.